Hey y'all, welcome to GM Gourmet. College football playoffs have started, so that means today we're making game day food. But we're doing this the gentleman great man way. So today we'll on GM Gourmet, we're gonna be putting together my Down-the-Bayou Stadium Nachos. All the flavor you'd find from real college stadium nachos, just elevated a little. I'm working in half batches today, not measuring too tightly, just building layers. Use what you've got and follow the process. And the first thing I do is I get my queso going. I cube up Velveeta Queso Blanco and mix it with a can of Rotel. In the microwave it goes. 3 minutes to start and then 1 minute intervals until it's smooth and pourable. Nothing fancy. It's just a stadium style queso with a little bit more flavor. And, and, and while you've got that in the microwave, you go ahead and get your base ready. Spread out a good layer of tortilla chips. I like to normally use pepper jack, but I'll spread on. This time I spread on cheddar because that's what I had in hand. And once that queso is good and smooth and pourable, I put that on there with the star of the show, some best stop Boudin. I crumble it right over the cheese. No perfection is needed, just little clusters so you get Boudin in every bite. And since it's a half batch, it doesn't need long in the oven. You just put that in there for about 7 or 8 minutes at 375. You might need to go over 10 minutes if it's a whole batch. And then on top of that, finishing touches here, we're going to drizzle on some crema. And then I happen to have a little bit of HEB's, that green sauce, around from my last trip to Texas. So I'll just put some of that on. And then the finishing touch is some sweet pickled jalapeños. You can either get candied jalapeños or the sweet hot ones. Either one is great. Just that mix of heat and tang and sugar. And really, that's it. That's Down the Bayou DTB Stadium Nachos. I mean, these are perfect for the playoff games, bowl games, just any Saturday where you need something fast, messy, and incredibly good. If you make these for your next watch party, tag the channel. And if you want more of these cooking videos with a little refinement, hit subscribe. Enjoy the games. And I'll see you next time on GM Gourmet. Do the internet video thing, hit the little bell for notifications, hit like, hit subscribe. Thanks. Bye.